Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. It is currently 7:53 in the morning. We are going to Caffiene and Octane. I left my car in the driveway last night, so my neighbors are going to get a nice 7 a.m. cold start to get their Sunday going. Now, I left it in the driveway because I was going to wash it anyway, so I didn't care if it got dirty. And then I woke up and I was like, yeah, I really don't feel like it. So we're going to be going dirty, so hopefully nobody minds. But then again, it's a drag car. I totally only threw the drag wheels on, so people will be like, oh, it's a race car. That's why it's not clean. So that's why those are on there. No other reason. Anyways, to start out today's video, we are going to get that 7 o'clock cold start. I'm going to throw some more E85 in the car, and then I'm going to head out. Do I have your permission? Nice. Consent is cool. Slurp it up. Alright, she's filled up on E. First Sunday of the month, that's like national holiday. Everybody knows it's Caffiene and Octane, so it's socially acceptable for me to start a 1,000 horsepower race car at 7 o'clock. That I live in a HOA community where like 90% of the people are at least like 70 years old. I'm gonna try and get this thing through the neighborhood as quiet as possible, but if you don't know, this car has a 3600 stall converter and it is turbo dumped, so it's loud. Oh my god, I'm blind. Oh, I'm blind. Oh, I can't see anything. Here. Now the tough part of finding a parking spot. I see all my Mustang friends here, but it looks like literally every spot is taken. I asked Connor to save me a spot. We'll see if he listened. Totally didn't have Connor move a gate so I can get into the part that I'm not allowed to.
What?
Said I totally didn't have Connor move a gate so I can get into the part that I'm not supposed to.
Of course not. Because who wants to see a Mustang?
No one, apparently. Huge crowd, turns out. Did you bring my radiator bolts, you dickhead?
No, I'm on a motorcycle. I'm not carrying bolts. I'll drop one and bust someone's windshield.
A whole line of Type R's. You know, there's a solid like 200 horsepower in this whole row. That is awesome. Oh, I follow this guy. I don't want the smoke.
You don't want the smoke?
Looks really pretty, but I would put buses on.
STANGRY, yes. You brought STANGRY?
Yeah.
This is diesel. He doesn't know what he wants. He doesn't want to be held. He doesn't want to be on the. Parker just has this aura.
I love the dogs.
That's what he needs. He's been Swagger, bro. He's blowing up on YouTube now. Okay. That's what I was just looking at.
Yeah, we had talked when we were still at Townsend. I had the route, but now we're Whipple guys. So. And it's a true Spec 3.
I didn't hear you pull up yet, man.
True.
Oh, really? Yeah, we got out here early.
Yeah, I did not. I talked to you last time, and I was literally telling you to get away from that Roush.
Correct. Yeah. It happened. I didn't want it to happen because somebody pulled out in front of me, but it happened, and now we're here. So there's gonna be more stuff that happens. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, my engine bay is not this clean at all. Dude, I've never actually seen one in person, but that is so clean. If it just didn't have the white interior, nice black interior, it'd be so sick. You ever sat in one of the carbon seats?
No.
Worst experience of your life.
Maserati MC20.
About 200-300 horse. I say mine looks like a race car. That is what a race car is. One day I'm gonna give it a ride. Everybody's like, oh, I know him. I can get you to talk with him. Like, bro, I just want to ride in your STO. Please.
You said you're gonna.
You said the night before, and then the next morning we were at a meeting. I was like, where's that? It's like, on that date. I was like, I actually have that exact car with this exact spec in Need for Speed. basically real life. Basically. Now that is definitely the best build here. Hands down, best build here. At what age do you graduate from like just casual car meet to where you pull, like officially pull out the lawn chair and sit in front of your car? When is that?
45, 50.
45, 50. So we got some time. Connor, this ain't saying much, but that is brighter than your future.
It's a lot brighter than my future. It looks white on the camera. Hold on.
Slow though.
Gap it. So what's going on?
About to steal this man's show.
About to steal the man's show? All right, crank it up.
I don't expect guests, so there's a helmet in there, you can wear it.
All right, let's get over there and steal it.
I don't have the hood pop, so they don't know it's not stock. Way or do I go that way?
Go that way. You gotta go right somehow.
Oh god, they're about to hear it come.
That is the most obnoxious spool.
What happens when you can't afford the big turbos? I'm trying to get in, so I have to behave.
Right here. You want me to get out?
This isn't exotic. Ask him 1 out of 10 how much trouble I get in for like.
Hey, 1 out of 10, how much trouble you get for letting him in here?
Probably like a 6, maybe.
6? All right, that's not bad. That's not bad.
It's totally fucking worth it, dude. It's totally worth it.
Just from today.
He has a vest on, it's okay.
Wasn't me.
I think she likes Mustangs. What do you think?
Oh yeah, definitely gonna be a Mustang.
You're definitely going.
Definitely gonna be a Mustang girl.
Right? Dude, she's loving this. Yeah.
This car is slow.
We're gonna edit that out, Parker.
Don't edit it out. Parker. He's obviously faking. He's got this big ass intercooler. Where are the turbos? Yeah, exactly.
It's full bolt on, right?
Yeah. Do you see anything that's? It's just a boss intake.
With a fake intercooler.
Huge intercooler for no reason. Well, yeah, it's performance radiator.
Ah.
He's got speakers
behind the engine to make it sound like it makes its turbo noises.
Never seen it.
I lowered it on some tank oil. It's actually cleaner than I was expecting. I thought you were about to show me something like
Yeah, dude.
really bad, and I was about to give you the awkward like, oh, that's cool.
Nah, bro, I love my car, dude.
Anyways, so
Are you proud of yourself?
no, I'm not. I'm a failure. He doesn't know where they are. This guy has a nice exhaust lead. Well, I met a ton of people. I can't wait to come to next month. I met a lot more people this time than I did last time. Took a lot of pictures, so that was really cool. Gave that kid a ride for his birthday. That's awesome. That's gonna be next video. But I'm gonna act like an idiot leaving here, and then I will see you guys in the next one unless I get hauled into jail. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.